Hey everyone, it's John from Dread Central, and I got a package in the mail today from Killing Floor 3. Let's go ahead and cut this bad boy open and see what we got inside. Alright, let's see what we got here. On the inside flap, it says, "The battle begins with nightfall." And inside we got, some very nice quality stickers. They got like a rough matte vinyl to them. They're actually a pretty heavyweight vinyl too. These are definitely cool. I'm gonna find a home for those. What's this? Oh, this is awesome. This is a Killing Floor 3 target silhouette. That is cool. Looks like there's a couple different ones in here. 1, 2, 3, and they're all the same zombie, but that's fucking awesome. What else do we got? Oh, Killing Floor 3 socks. Hell yeah. Definitely rock those. This is cool. Killing Floor 3 lunchbox. Let's see if there's anything inside. Nope. But still, this is cool. I'll definitely put this on display right up here. And oh, I love this. Hell yeah. Killing Floor 3 pint glass. I will definitely put that to good use. What else do we got here? Oh, these are cool. Killing Floor 3 folding knife. And a Killing Floor 3 glass break tool. These are very, very cool. Little survival theme going on here. And to follow that up, this looks like a first aid kit of some kind. Let's take a look inside. Yep. That is cool. Got the Killing Floor 3 logo on it with this Velcro. Actually might put this on a hat that I have. That is very, very cool. But yeah, this is pretty solid. It's from Elite First Aid Incorporated. Made by professionals, made to save lives, made for you. Very, very cool. Now, and last but not least, and this is something I'm really excited about because I was actually just looking for a new gamepad. This is going to look great on my desk as soon as I get all this stuff cleaned up. So yeah, not a bad box of swag. Definitely looking forward to putting some of this stuff to use. Want to thank the folks at Killing Floor 3 for sending this over, and let's take a look at some gameplay in the trailer.
Let's get down to work, shall we?
A swarm is gathering.
さて、その時が来た。
Make sure your weapons are cleared before boarding the VTOL. Let's get going.
given to panic. Oh, I think I might have done a little wee.